go! Guys, ito na po yung part 2 natin. Yung tayo po yung part 1 yung video. Sabi ko nga yung part 1 magagawa ko ng video eh. May part 2 na tayo. Ganyan, nice. Wait, what the fuck? Naglag ako. Water target na agad ako. Oh, good team naman ako eh. Oh, sige, nasan ba yung bounty ko? Ito nang pala eh. Kailangan ko no. Sige. Kailangan ko ng 70. Tapos ganahan din natin ang mga blocks. Tapos kuha muna tayo ng mga blocks. Mga blocks. 1, 2, 3. Kuha muna. Ano ito? Nice. Tapos kuha muna tayo ng stone sword. Isa, kuha muna tayo ng stone sword. And guys, kuha tayo muna na. Sorry guys, kapag ang boses ko. Minsan nga ganun yung boses ko. Oh, shish, nakaimulan ko wala akong armor. Don't make this mission unlimited, boy. No. Wait, take natin look for. Nice. So, let's go na tayo. Let's go na. Yun pa din ako makakuha ng ganti ko sa may pake na to. Wala pa naman ako napatay eh. Napatay agad ako sa may tao. Siya yung napatay ko. Go. Chill. Napatay ako eh. Pinatay ako. Fight lang ako, napatay ko siya eh. Ayan, nice stone sword ko. Farm muna tayo. 50 muna tayo mga armor. Hello, it's nice. Hello, it's nice to be human. Tell you, you will be so kind. If you could open the door and let me inside. That's the whole lot of question. This is the why I tried to work yung kaya mo tayong nakita niyo guys. Hello, it's nice to be human. Tell you. Okay na to. Hello, it's nice to be human. Tell you, it will be so fun. If you could open the door and let me inside. Not a whole lot of questions. Is it the way I just stuff? Is it the number of eyes? I know what's up. You come back when I'm doing the skies. Cause you love your love. Hello, cause you love your love. Cause you love them behind you. Oh, you saw me right there, did you? You make sure later open the door. See my name on the list, right? Everything checks out, let me inside. I'm in a little call. What? Nobody.
Hello?
Fuck. I'm gonna need to go into the building. Don't wanna wait in there. Everybody's fine, no? You need to open the door. Ulan. Okay, Open the door. Hey there, hi, is it like this? Sorry about that. Let's just start from the beginning. Here's my card and my phone. Why was I outside the building? Oh yeah, I was about to get killing. It's kind of silly to focus all on my voice and shit. Call me the tender from heaven because I'm a patron saint. I've been so nice and so kind to my neighbors. Now I figured you did this one damn favor. You got a lot of questions, but I guess it won't fly. It's a waste of time to ask me things over and over to see if I slip up. Just open the door first. I just think that we should reach out with a helping hand. Not the fingers all around my older rapper man. Nowadays, everybody running while I still can. Meanwhile, I'm working hard in the middle. See my name on the list? Right. Everything checks out. Let me inside and make a little call. Why? There's nobody. Hello? Fuck. I'm in the need to get into the building. Don't wanna wait anymore. Everyone out here is dying again. So if you can open the door. I really need to get into the building. Don't wanna wait anymore. Everyone out here is dying again. So if you can open the door.
There's danger at your doorstep, and only you can prevent what's in store. Now, to identify...
Uy, tapi ko tumagal ka na. Good afternoon, hello, hi. Ay, puto. Nagagaslit siya po eh. Nagagaslit siya po eh. First person. Try natin first person. Lagi naman ako nag-spam ah. Hey, go. Oh, no. Nakpak. Kuha nga ako, nakpak, guys. Ay, put! Ano yun? Naging halo! Nagkakapos na ngayon, wala. Recorded the milkman. See my name on the list, right? Everything checks out, let me inside. Can I make a little call? Why? There's nobody. Fuck, I'm gonna get into the building. Don't wanna wake anymore. Meanwhile, how did they the milkman? Yo. Go. Di muna tayo makakalaban eh. Oh, shucks. Shots fire. Go. Patay ka muna. Boom. Patay ako. Gung. Napatay din siya. Dito. Napatay. Hello, tao. Meanwhile, then we're hulking than the milkman. See my name on the list, right? MD6 that let me use sa utang. Kala ko nalagpalag ko siya eh. Go. Then go. Kayo mga go. Go. Oh my god, go. Go team. Napatay din ako. Gusto na ba yun? Ano yung bounty ko? Ayun. When you're working hard with the milkman. Milkman. Nice, yun lang napatay ko. Ang dami nito. See my name on the list? Right. 36 star, let me inside. I'm gonna make a little call. Why? I'm gonna need to get into the building now. Yung bounty ko. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yung go. Napatay natin. Okay, so nga. Elas na nga ako dyan. Uy, pinapatay ako guys. Uy, kunin yan. Patay ka na. atin yan eh. Nawala target ko. Kaya pa niya ako. Charging bit. Go. Ah, tulong guys. Go. Tulungan na. We're calling the movement. Yan. Kita ko na yung target ko. Doon siya. Go. Huwag niyo papuntahin doon. Go. Papuntahin yun. Go. Mabilis kamay ko. Bilis ang kamay ko. Mabilis ang kamay ko. Go. Our adventure. Meanwhile, we're on milk. Meanwhile, we're all in the milk. Kasi yung gusto maglaban. Kunin ko yun na bounty ka. Nakuha ka bounty ka? Putik naman yan. Hindi ko pa nakuha bounty ko. Sayang. Huwag ka na bumalik kapag huwag ka na tumakas. Kasi kapag ayaw mo nang mamatay. Go. Uy, akin to. Akin to. Meanwhile, we're hard at the milk. Ay, ito, oh. Go. Yan, ako to. Ano, anong ginagawa mo? Nag-juke kita. Nakuha ka. Join. Ay, bong. Lahe, body, pangit, mo. Ayun, mga arrows. TNT, kuha nga din na natin. Wala pala kung arrows. Kasi yung arrows yun. Yan, sa baba lang. Magpo-post na lang ako ng mga everyday new games. Hindi minsan Roblox. Basta minsan lang. Targeted. trick shot because I may wanna, hintay nyo lang. Tapos, go. Okay lang. Apo! Ito yung bed boy. Pataya, wala nga. Hindi nyo kaya patayin. Oo. Fake it. Ayun. Galing din mag-fake to eh. Sugi pala yan. Nakala ko. Here. Akala ko yung boy yan. Lagi nagpo-void eh. Ano target ko? Pili po kayo yung target. Let's go time. Go na. Pinay kayo sa akin. Kailangan ko tong bread. Kailangan kong pagkain. Kailangan ko yung bread niya. Apat. Kailangan ko ng something. Kailangan ko fireball. Kailangan kita maluto pala. Sorry na, pero kailangan na nga lutuin ka na. Kukukulo na luto na siya. Ah, puta. Ang galing ko, luto na yun, oh. Kailangan natin maluto to, oh. Kailangan natin maluto to para pansan. Baan ba lulutuin? Ayun ito, yun, oh. Kailangan ko pa madami ito. Isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Yun, 2 emeralds. 2 emeralds. Nice. Yun, napatay ba ako? Ay, namatay yung bread. Kung sila magpatay. Tumag ka lang ba sila dito? Tatlo. Ang gantin. Kailangan ko. Yun. Kailangan natin to. Hold ko muna sila. Go. Hold. Sila kami. Go kill me, sir. Kunin ko na ito. Six shot. Tignan nyo. Nanonods. Sunod yan. What is the thing? Hello, right here. Take cover. Take cover. Nandito na tayo, guys. I hate this. Goodbye, I'm gonna post it now.